Hey guys, what is up? I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, there is something that needs to be talked about. As most of you know, minting stopped, I think around mid or beginning of September. So reached that 230 million supply and they had to stop it, because most of us, we didn't want more bone to be produced in supply. We all voted for no in the dodgy DAO, I remember. No, yes, I can't remember which one it was, but for it just to stop, okay? And I think it was like around 98% result, which was pretty much, the explanation of the sentiment at the time where people just all wanted the same thing. Now, after that, there are a lot of questions. So we were waiting for Treat, because Treat was supposed to replace Bone, and still Treat hasn't come out, and a lot of people are kind of like, wow, probably it would have been best if developers could have arranged all the Treat rewards once Bone rewards were stopped, were halted, which was fine. And after that, we are still waiting, but we're watching at how the markets have responded. So I open up, the charts have responded. I open up a bone chart of 30 days just to show you what happened, okay? The past 30 days. As you can see, it was a bit wavy from some level, okay? So I think around beginning of September until mid-September, very wavy. And then it dropped. Now, a lot of you, okay, and this is why I'm making a video, was saying that once minting stops and there are no more rewards, people will be so hungry for bone that they're just going to end up buying more bone, okay? Because there's not going to be any form to actually gain those rewards from bone, which is actually was a very interesting point. A lot of people said that this would pump up the price, more people buying, okay, more trading volume, and that would increase the price. But it didn't actually go as planned. So, which is, in my opinion, a bit of, a bit of a downside, bit sad, but who cares? At the end of the day, we are waiting for the same, we're all waiting for that development, the Shibarium. But for those of you that expected the price to go up, or hey, it didn't, it's not what happened. And, that shouldn't really put your mood down, shouldn't affect your psychology, your mood, your emotions, because it's normal. It's what happens. You just never know. It was going to go either one way or another way. I wasn't too sure. I didn't know if it would have had a massive effect or if actually people, because it really does depend on the individuals. If not getting any rewards really make people invest far more money. I guess some people, yes, they bought in. But again, because Bone has such a small market cap, I think the whales, if a whale decides to sell off, it can really, you can see that sort of drop in price for sure, okay? So as you can see, nothing really happened since minting stopped. People, possibly more people were buying, but it didn't have such a big effect. Probably the money invested into it wasn't enough to push the price up, which is fine. It's absolutely fine, because at the end of the day, we're here just waiting. We're, playing that patience game. Those that are willing to wait are gonna be, ready for those big rewards. Those that don't wait, I'm afraid they're gonna have to stick with the small, tiny profits. So it's all up to you, okay? Make sure you have your game plan set up and make sure it is convenient for what you are looking for, because we all want different returns. It's not always the same case. In this case, ladies and gentlemen, I think majority of people will be taking decisions post Shibarium for sure, okay? Because those that sold off pre-Shibarium, I guess you've made some big mistakes, So remember, if I opened up the bigger charts, there was a time where Bone was $3 with no utility. I know if you look backwards, there was a time of $15 and I think even $75, but this was like, sort of going into the year, okay, almost exactly a year ago, which is going to be interesting. 3rd November 2021, $3.22, and we're nearing November, a month to go, and we'll be in November, so who knows. But this is with no utility, and imagine Bone with utility. Absolutely insane. So these are all golden times to buy in although minting has stopped, and I know you missed the times when you were getting these big rewards, but hey, you knew it was coming. We all read the white paper. It was going to be replaced eventually by something, okay? Otherwise, if they start printing out, not printing out, but increasing the supply of bone, I think that we're going to end up like Shiba Inu. So it's better that we halt the supply and, you know, take the next step, open the next chapter in life. So, as usual, guys, you know, if you have any thoughts, did you think when minting stops, everyone would be buying and investing more money into it, you know, to get bone? What were your thoughts back then? What are your thoughts right now? Everything in the comment section below, please write it down. Very, very curious. And also, guys, you know, not to miss out on any content, make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, hit that notifications bell. Ladies and gentlemen, we are also on Twitter, so follow Gossipade on Twitter. Big things are coming, a lot of news, a lot of interesting stuff. So as usual, I want to say a big thank you to everyone. Appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.